Hello folks, today's video is going to be a quick short video. It's a little bit of our goats. Dan took the video there with his phone, and now the wind was blowing pretty bad. We was working on the water faucet up there, and he decided he's going to get a little bit of video of the goats here. Let's see what he got. Alrighty, you can see here that pipe up there to the right of the screen. That is how they get over to the other field. They actually walk under the road through that pipe. We had put that in several years ago, and when we want to keep them from going to the other side, we just take a piece of fence and block that off, and that keeps them from going over there. Whenever they have babies like that, that's what we generally do. We don't let them go over into the woods for a while until the kids get a little bit bigger. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. You all have a blessed day, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and thank you again for watching.